guys, I'm Alexis with Lotus and Luna, and this is my lovely model. Today we're going to show you guys how to wear a scarf multiple ways, as a long sarong, a mini sarong, and also as a dress. So let's get started. So we're going to start with your traditional long sarong. What you're going to do is take one end of the scarf in each hand, pick a side, and make a double knot right over your hip. Next up is the mini sarong, and it's pretty similar to the long sarong. All you're gonna do different is fold the scarf in half lengthwise, hot dog style. Once you fold it in half, you're gonna grab the ends that are folded, pick a side, and make another double knot above the hip. Lastly is the dress. What you're gonna do is take the scarf around back, take one corner in each hand, bring the corners around to the front of your body, grab opposite corner in each hand, and take those corners behind your neck and then tie in a double knot.